CLT Electronics was founded in 2007 with registered capital of RMB 16.18 million. CLT specialized in professional LED display and commercial LED display business, integrating R&D, design, operation, marketing, and service, national high-tech enterprise in one, and Shenzhen well-known brand enterprise. CLT has nearly 400 employees, 120,000 square meters of R&D and operation base, and has gained more than 17 technology patents in Europe, America, Asia, Africa, and Oceania, etc. The products has been sold to over 100 countries around the world with 10,000 successful projects.
Hello, welcome to the 100Hz Content Fair Online. This is Duke from CLT. CLT is a fan-page and commercial display supplier, founded in 2007. Has accomplished more than 100,000 cases in more than 100 countries in the world. 400 people, 120,000 square meters, including headquarters and factory in Beijing. Our headquarters located in Shenzhen. Today, I'm going to introduce our hot model and promotional products. First product that I would like to introduce, no doubt, is our Export, so all-in-one in the market. The screen behind me is just the Export. And I'm going to introduce Export by 6 points. Number 1, user-oriented. Export is Android system based. Only one power cable and one button to turn it on or off. Using our Export just like using your home TV. No need complicated cables, no need complicated steel structure, but coming with optional standard installation accessory, wall mounting, staking, movable, liftable. Just require 2 minutes to hours to install. Number 2, standard product. Export supported 4 different standard size: 108, 135, 163, and 216 inch for option, and 2K resolution, standard 2K resolution, and also standard installation accessories, as I just mentioned. Number 3, high definition. Export support high definition 2K or 4K resolution. Fixed pitch from P1.2 to P2.5. Not only high definition, but also high contrast, high refresh rate, and high grayscale. Number 4, Export can access internet like our mobile phone and laptop, and also Export can generate a Wi-Fi signal for connection. Number 5, interactive, for example, by remote. Interactive by mobile phone. Screen share. First, we need to connect the Wi-Fi of the Export. Then e-share. Now we can make screen share to Export. And also touchable, and I can do that. Also, I can change the color. Number 6, various application scenarios such as video conference, education, broadcast, events, and so on.
The next product I'm going to introduce is our Exposter Pro, plug-play Exposter Pro. It is also user-oriented product. One power cable, one button to turn it on and off. Parameters. It is 83 inch, 39 kilograms, 3 different peak pitch, P1.8, P2.5, and P3.1. Different installation way: angle landing, movable, hanging, and wall mounted. Different way to send content, like USB, mobile phone by Wi-Fi, HDMI to connect computer, and also by cloud. What's cool about our X-Poster Pro? We can open the frame. When we want to use by one pieces, we can close the frame so the frame can protect poster. And also we can make seamless splicing by opening the frame. So we can join 2 or 3, maximum 6 pieces together without any gap. We can make a connection for 2 pieces like this one. We can also make a connection for 3 pieces and 6 pieces. When we put 6 pieces of a P1.8 X-Poster Pro together, it becomes a standard 2K resolution network. No need additional steel structure. We were quick to make cascading. So it is a good idea for events. It can save a lot of time for you.
CLT is a fan pitch and a commercial LED display supplier. CLT's strategy is a fixed installation LED display. I'd like to introduce 2 models of our fixed installation, LM Pro and H Plus series. Now let me introduce the cabinet one by one. First, it is our LM Pro. LM Pro supports 5 different fixed pitch: P0.9, P1.2, P1.5, and P1.8, P2.5. That means one platform for 5 different fixed pitch. And also, this design support also COB technology. The cabinet size is 600 by 337.5, 16 by 9 dot ratio aspect. The benefit of this size design is it is much easier to build 2K or 4K network. For example, if we put 4 pieces P1.2 in horizontal and 4 pieces in vertical, it becomes a standard 2K resolution network. And also we put 1.5 cabinet 5 pieces in horizontal and 5 pieces in vertical. It is also a standard 2K resolution, and also for P1.8 and P2.5. The material of this cabinet is die-casting aluminum, high precision, 0.005 millimeter. It is very important for fine pitch. It is very important for fine pitch to adopt a high precision die-casting aluminum because it can make sure the flatness and no gap. Now we can look into the detail of this cabinet. So we can see it is super slim. The depth, the thickness, almost 1 finger. Check it out. The depth is only 28 millimeter. This is 3 centimeter. And this is the location pin. When we set up the screen, location pin can help us load the cabinet to put the cabinet properly. And this is a spring lock. And here is the holes for cables, for cable connection for vertical. And we can find that it is very easy to make connection for the cables, just a plug. And also this is also the holes for cables connection for vertical. Okay, let's go to the side. This hole are for spring lock, for connection in horizontal, and this is the hole for cables connection. So that means we can choose cables connection in horizontal or in vertical. And the cables, when we make the connection for cables, we cannot find the cables from outside. So it's a very safe design. So no worries for mouse can bite the cable. No worries. And it's very clean because it's hidden. it's inside, all cables inside. Now let's check the bottom of this cabinet. The small aluminum bar on both sides. It is for location and also for landing protection. You know, sometimes when we set up a screen, we may need to put the screen on the table or on the floor. The coming out part can protect the LED on the bottom to prevent the LED contact the floor directly. So look in the details, you may find the height of this LED is much higher. Yes. So in this way to protect the LED, and here the hole is handled because it is very lightweight. The cabinet is only 4 kilograms, and the four holes are for connection, for installation. Sorry, for installation. And here in the middle is a testing button, and then OEM label area. That means we can put your logo here to promote your brand. You see it? And also we can find that this cabinet is very clean. It's very clean, not complicated and very tidy. Now I'm going to take off the module. Usually we need a vacuum tool to take off the module, but now only one cabinet I can use my fingers. Each cabinet has 4 modules. It's very easy to take out. You see, this is a 1.8. Remember, we have 4 different pitch. And I need to mention is this connection is a home developed. It's not universal in the market, so it is much stable for signal or power transition. And here it's also, and here with direction to make those fast, which direction is in right way. Okay, this is one module, and I'm going to take off the next one. Okay, direction, wireless connection, home developed. Okay, and our ALM Pro support smart LED module. That means calibrated LED modules. We can make sure that the whole screen are uniform, and we can replace the LED module. How do I say, framing. And another feature of our ALM Pro is ALM Pro support dual power supply, dual receiving card. It's a backup. It's a backup design. Can you see? 2 power supply and 2 receiving card. That means backup design for power supply and system. So when one power supply fails or one receiving card fails, another one will still working. So you know, for some application scenarios such as command center or monitoring center, this is very important. Also for government, backup design is always important. And now let's check out the inside of this cabinet. There's very neat cables inside there. It's very clean. No more cables. Yes, less cable, more stable. And the back cover is aluminum, the custom aluminum. This is a spring lock. for horizontal. And also one cabinet has only one type of LED module. I can put the LED module here or here or here or here. That means one module for position. And because our LED module is calibrated, it's a smart LED module. So no matter where I put the module, it can make sure that all screen uniform. And this cabinet, this series is full front surface. That means we can take off the LED module and the power supply receiving card from front side. We cannot take it off from back side because there's no maintenance holes, and we cannot take off the line cover. It's one whole unit. And because of the cabinet is only 28 millimeters, so when we do wall mounted, we can make sure that the whole depth of the screen is very slim. Minimum of the depth is 8 centimeters with our standard installation bracket. We can provide a standard installation bracket. The whole depth is only 8 centimeters. So this is a LM Pro. Another product I'm going to introduce is H Plus series. Here, this is a H Plus series. The depth of this cabinet is only 6 centimeters, and also it's also lightweight. It's only 6 kilograms, which is lighter than 89% of the similar product in the market. It's very lightweight. Okay, I'm sorry. We can see the direction here on the module. This is a handle, and this is a spring lock for fast installation. And here, we just need to press the button, and the spring lock can release. And this is a customized label area. There's some button, power in and power out. H Plus series support 3 different pitch: P1.8, P1.9, P2.6, and P3.9. 3 different pitch. Now let's check the details of this camera. Our H Plus series is also front maintenance. Usually we need a vacuum tool to take it off the module, and now I just need to work by hand. Check it out. And then I can. You see? It's very easy. I just need to hold the handle and push. It can be taken out. It can be taken out. Also, H Plus series adopted our home-developed connection connector. Wireless connection is home-developed. Two pieces of connectors allow us to put any modules in 4 different positions. When this connector fails, we can exchange the module here. So it's a very considerate design, and also can save your warehouse. Can save the spare parts, because we have only one type of modules. And let me take off the next one. Wireless connection, where a little bit cables inside. It's full front installation, full front service product. We can take off the 8 modules, power card, receiving card, power supply from front side. That means when we do full front installation like wall mounted for by H Plus series, it requires no maintenance channel. Now I can put the air module here in this in the right side. So just need to okay. H Plus series is mostly used for fixed installation, but sometimes our customer install the network by H Plus series. Sometimes they need to move the product from their showroom to exhibition, so it's like rental. So we designed this color protection here. We can add color protection here, and it's routable color protection. It's very easy. It's a very smart design. And a good news, we have a big stock for H Plus series P2.6.